How to buy USDT on Trust Wallets app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can buy USDT on Trust Wallet app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to buy USDT on the Trust Wallet app, simply open up the Trust Wallet app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Then right at the home page you will find the buy option. Tap on buy, and right here you want to type in USDT since that is what you're trying to buy here. So simply select USDT, Ethereum, or whichever one it is that you want to buy. So once you've done this, enter the dollars worth of USDT that you want to buy. So for $1,500 I'll get around 1400 USDT. Then I can just tap on the buy with credit card option, and once done I'll be able to simply go ahead and then enter the details, and after that I'll be able to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. This way you'll be able to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.